Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we've just toured the first part of the village here. That's over on the right is the Village Leasing Center, and then on the left we just went in, really did a detailed buzz and bustle tour. That's a place you're going to really want to go a lot. Now we're going to keep going on our village tour, and we're just walking down the main street. That's where all the amenities are. This is what makes the village so cool, is these amenities. All 18 apartment communities share these amenities, so they're pretty amazing. On the left here, there is some space that's gonna have some restaurants, and you can, that's gonna be there, but as proof, there's some other things that are down here that do have restaurants, so we're gonna see those. Over here though is the Dre Hotel. This is really cool because you can stay here in the village just, on the nightly room. And it's actually quite reasonable for how nice it is inside there. And it's a great way if you want to have family come in, if you want to live here, but then have family come in. You don't have to get a bigger apartment. You could just have them stay at the hotel. On the right, there's the pool that we're going to explore that in detail. But you got a pool here. On the left, this is this over and under. So this is essentially just a really cool kind of sports bar place. And it's open 4 to 11, but it's eat, drink, win. Looks super, super fun. And let's see if it's open right now. It may not be open quite yet. Okay, it's not open, but that's a really cool place. It's a restaurant, kind of barish place. It's fun. So you're gonna have that. And then over here is some other shops, and we're going to see those in a minute. Over here are some fields. We're going to talk about that in detail. We're going to walk over there, but those fields, there are pickleball tournaments, there are soccer tournaments, they're all over there. So all ready for you to enjoy. It's great to get exercise, but it's also great ways to meet people. So that's a little bit more of over here. We're going to keep walking. The Sandy Pickle, that's where the pickleball is going to happen. So that's over there. There's a really cool restaurant. It's over here. It's kind of a higher end restaurant. It's fun. It's called the Meridian. So, that's over here, the Meridian. And then you do have some other things over here we're going to explore too. So over here, there's a barber shop, the Ravel barber shop. And then that's over here, and I think that's also a salon. So you've got that going over here as well. Very, very cool. And then you've got a few more things over here. I'm not quite sure what those are. I think those have kind of changed recently. So this is a little bit more of what this looks like. And then finally, you have a little bit more over here. Just want you to see it. Let's go over here. A couple of these things have changed, so since I've last filmed. So over here, it looks like it's called Mended, and it looks like, let's see, Block Prints Gifts. So it's like a gift shop. So it looks like it's prints. Oh, really, really cool. Block Prints by Survivors. So that looks really, really cool. Flawless Tans is over here. Mackenzie James store is over here. House of Wigs. This is super, super cool. So this is just some of the stuff you're going to see over here. Now we're going to go in detail, and I want to show you some more of the things that we passed. But I just wanted you to see all the things, unusual things are here. This is about, by the way, about 1 o'clock during the day. So you can see what it's like. By the way, Wag and Bone is over there. It's doggy daycare. Really, really cool. I love seeing that. So anyway, this is just kind of walking down the street of the village. There's so much to do here, and so it's really cool when you can walk to here or quickly get to here from any one of the village apartments. So now we're going to go see another cool amenity. We're going to go see those fields so you can see more of how those look. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to do a virtual tour right away of the village where you can live see apartments that fit what you want, send me a text. We'll set that up right away.